The murder became myth. Vicente Arango, president of the Center of Historical Studies of Manizales, said a myth that marked Manizales and has remained was the murder of Karina Albornoz in 1941. It was a fruit seller in the former gallery that was located in the present place Alfonso Lopez. The husband, Misael Parra, tired of his abuse, killed and buried in the courtyard full of lime to prevent decomposition of the body. According to records, Misael began selling gold jewelry from his wife in Pereira, which aroused suspicion and led to his capture. After residents of the race 23 with Street 14 in the center, they began to say they heard the laughter of Karina late at night and the noise on the roof were unbearable. Nobody was going down that street at night but the meat that was boiled from a fat. Today even the old ones had in cafes.